Well, here on Designing Spaces, we're all about making your home a more beautiful place to be. And apparently, we're doing a pretty good job because almost 100% of baby boomers want to grow old right here at home. But what does the huge demand versus the very low supply of in-home caregivers mean for you? Well, here with some answers in part 3 of our 6-part series on aging at home is Todd Houghton from Homewatch Caregivers.
Thanks for having me back today.
So why is the baby boom demographic so significant for our generation of aging loved ones?
It was the largest growth in our population between the years of 1946 and 1964. So 76, 78 million people are within that demographic, and they're living much longer today, right? Thanks to modern medicine, 10,000 turning 65 every day. And we anticipate the aging population, those being over the age of 65, to approach nearly 1 billion people in the next 25 years.
What does that mean, therefore, for this huge growing group of people getting older? What's the supply of caregivers like if you're going to grow old at home and you're in that huge population boom?
Well, we definitely have a shortage. And so we have to figure out ways to get creative to increase that supply out there. Families need to start preparing now and educating themselves and understanding what they want to do as they fulfill that dream of living at home.
What do we do on a more tangible level? Besides planning, what else can we do?
Homewatch Caregivers have been around for 45 years. We have a lot of tried and true processes in place. We really focus on the individual. We use an Eden alternative methodology to the delivery of care that's really focused on the individual and the person as a whole, right? And then we also focus on bringing technology in to improve the efficiencies of the caregiver through our Homewatch Connect. That really allows for that individual living at home, fulfilling that dream of being at home, wherever that is at, to be connected and engaged in a 24/7 methodology.
Homewatch Caregivers really is a leader, not only in technology and in methodology, the Eden approach methodology, but also thinking ahead to how to create more caregivers. Tell us more about that.
Yes, so we need in the industry, in the home care industry and in the healthcare industry, about 3 million more caregivers within the next 5 years. So we're very proactive in that aspect of things, and we have a program called The Making of the Caregiver. There's a lot of people out there that are in the sandwich generation, so they're taking care of their kids, they're taking care of their grandparents, and working somewhere just to make money. So we have a program that's unique to Homewatch Caregivers that can take an unskilled person and put them through training to become a caregiver. So that's really helping us overcome some of the shortages.
That's incredible. Where can people find out more about the wonderful things that Homewatch Caregivers is doing?
Homewatchcaregivers.com.
And you can also go to designingspaces.tv. Todd, you're awesome. Thanks for joining us. So much great information.
Thanks for having me.